In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, well-structured product record that your whole team can use. First, log into your Zoho CRM account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, we need to move into the Products area. Look for the Products module in your navigation bar. Depending on your layout, this will usually be at the top of the screen or along the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Products to open the product list. Inside the Products module, you'll see any existing products along with filters and search options. To add something new, find the button that says New Product or Create Product. This is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click that button to open the Create Product screen. Now you're on the page where you'll enter all the details about your product. Take your time here because good data makes your CRM much more powerful. Start with the product name. This field is mandatory, so choose a clear, consistent naming convention that your team will recognize easily. Next, you'll see the product code field. This is especially useful if you use internal SKUs or codes from another system, like an inventory or accounting platform. Enter the code that matches your existing documentation so everything stays in sync. Then, set the unit price. This is the standard price for 1 unit of the product. Make sure the currency and value match what your sales team actually uses in quotes and deals. If you have different price lists, this can still act as your base price. You'll also find a checkbox or toggle for product active. Turn this on if the product is currently available for selling. If it's a legacy item or something that's temporarily unavailable, you can leave it inactive so it doesn't clutter up your active product list. Fill in the vendor name if you work with a specific supplier for this product. This helps with reporting and makes it easier to track who you purchase from. Choose a product category that best describes what you're selling, so later you can filter and analyze similar items together. Use the description field to add helpful details, such as key features, use cases, or internal notes that will help your team talk about the product accurately with customers. If your layout allows it, upload a product image. A clear image makes it easier for users to quickly recognize the right item, especially if you have a large catalog or similar products. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're happy with it, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. Zoho CRM will create the new product record, and it will now be available to use in deals, quotes, and other modules across your CRM.